our ingredients. In here we have salt. In this we have cinnamon with some star anise. We have whole milk. We have vanilla extract. We have carnation milk. And then we have pure white sugar.
Comme nous connaissons, moi c'est Edith. Je dis à moi retourner back sur les zones. Moi pour faire du riz au lait. Du riz au lait et c'est du riz avec lait. Ok, mais moi j'ai un monde là qui est invité, qui vient de la cuisine, qui vient avec moi. Ok, ko Janet, so bien content wa venir de moi.
Yeah, so you have to show me step by step.
Step by step, okay?
Alright, so we're gonna make duriola, which is like rice pudding.
So, ou aimez faire manger?
No.
Ou pas aimer faire manger? Manger belle. Manger c'est créer ou pas créer manger. Lorsqu'on fait manger, il est réellement belle. Et coulier là pour moi dire nous avons haïtien. Il est tia. Moi tire chapeau bas pour tia. Parce que avant ou tu à la compétition, moi te li beaucoup. Moi te réellement apprécié. Moi coulier là, m'a gardé online, moi retire chapeau bas pour tia. Merci beaucoup. Ou faire honneur haïtien. Ou mettre haïtien grand, ou mettre manger haïtien tout bien haut. Moun qui peut qu'on tia, nous avons un chef haïtien et premier haïtien qui monte sur les ondes et premier fito qui gagne concours. Chef Tia, retire chapeau bas. Mille merci Tia. So, faire manger son bel bagage avec. Quand on a mangé, on a fait du monde, il est réellement belle. Mais pour faire manger, il faut avoir patience. Il faut aimer.
Alright, I have patience. Let's go.
Ok. Ok. C'est du riz ça nous vient, on va laver du riz, on va le mettre le bouilli. Le fait de mettre le bouilli, m'a expliqué tout l'autre bagaille nous va le faire.
Just that little bit of rice.
Yeah, parce que ça suffit pour 4 moun, 5 moun. Du riz à fin bouilli, là. Mettez du riz à bouillir sans rien. Okay, du riz à fin.
So you just put rice and water.
That's it.
And how long has this been cooking for?
Half an hour.
30 minutes this has been cooking for.
Okay.
And this is what it looks like.
Yeah. Bien cuit.
So like the rice is just like all gooey and like mashed up. This is not like the long grain rice that we made in our like previous video. And our stove is about at 6.
Okay, coulier là, moi il y a sucre.
So now we're getting sugar.
Okay. Pour sugar, on mette un tasse sucre.
So 1 cup of sugar.
Jeannette, elle va prendre faire manger.
So we have 1 cup of sugar. Now I'm gonna put it into this.
Yeah. Mettez un peu de sugar.
Get all this sugar out. And we're just using white sugar.
Yeah.
If you want to use another kind of sugar, you can. Let me mix this all up until it dissolves. All right, Mom. I got the first 2 steps. What's next?
Vous mettez cinnamon là.
Okay, now we're gonna put some cinnamon sticks.
Yeah.
We put 2 cinnamon sticks.
Yeah, exactement. Nous mettez anisette. Ça c'est anisette, nous mettez 2 ou bien 3.
And we put 3 in.
Nous mettez lait.
Now we're gonna use whole milk.
Mettez moitié ça.
She put in more than half of the bottle, and this bottle is 1 quart. Just regular whole milk.
Vous boissez ensemble. Vous mettez un petit cuillère de sel.
Alright, now we're gonna put in some salt. A little bit of salt, not too much. I can already smell it. Oh, I love the smell of this.
Mettez-le. Exactement. Ok? N'a mettez avant ouvrir l'être là, mais au secouer là avant.
Okay, so we're putting all of this Carnation Milk can.
Yeah.
Alright, so this can is 12 ounces, fluid ounces. And we're gonna put all of it into this. Now as you can see, it's like filling up the pot pretty well, so it is gonna feed a good amount of people. How many people you think this can feed?
4, 5 moun, 6 moun. Ça dépend.
It depends how much you eat, but like 4 to 6 people, she said. This is my first time making this. I'm so excited. So now I put in all the Carnation milk. Now I'm just stirring it again. Alright, so what do I do next? Do I just put the cover back on?
Yeah, quitter cover à bas, and then quitter le bouillir.
For how long?
For 10 minutes.
So she told me to put the top back on and let it boil somewhere for about 10 minutes, right?
Yes, yes.
So,
Goûtez pour voir s'il gagne sucre. Par contre, ça, goûtez.
Alright.
Mm.
Oh, that's so good.
Ah, that's good. Ou remeni, pas couvrir net.
Alright, so this pot, we can open it up, but I'm also gonna leave it open so it breathes, and I'm gonna like tilt it so it's not fully covered. If it's fully covered, sometimes when it cooks it like boils over, then it just messes up the pot and the stove, and who wants that? So it's just tilted a little.
Yeah.
We'll be back in about 10 minutes.
Yes, very good.
So it's been about 15 minutes. We got a little distracted. We put our stove down a little bit to 4, and now we're gonna go to the next steps, which are...
Alors, les bons couliers là. Oui, c'est bon. On va mettre ton petit essence, Jeannette. On va mettre ton cuillère essence.
We're gonna put some vanilla extract. Is this one good?
Yeah, that's good.
A spoonful.
That's fine.
This is 1 teaspoon.
Yeah, that's it, that's it.
Oh, no more?
No more.
Oh, okay, sorry.
C'est bon, ou brasser lui. Et puis, si vous voulez, vous êtes capable de mettre un petit morceau de beurre là-dedans.
I'm gonna put some butter. I'm gonna put the whole stick in.
Non, put a little bit. Just a little bit, just a little bit.
So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of butter. That's good?
Yeah, that's good. Mettre morceau de beurre and then. Okay. Si vous voulez plus sucre, vous êtes capable de mettre plus sucre. Si vous voulez plus sucre, sucre là-bas, la bouillie là-bas. Very good, Janet.
So she just said you can put the sugar to your liking. If you want more, you can put more. If you want less, you can put less sugar. But we are all done. That was really quick and easy, and I made it for the first time. Thanks, Mom.
C'est la bouillie servie dans le bol. Et ça, il y aurait du riz au lait.
Yeah.
Du riz avec lait.
Thank you.
For
Rice pudding, the Haitian way.
Ah, tout les fruits, c'est réellement beau.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to cool down, then I'll have some. Thank you for tuning in for me making my first Lait, aka rice pudding. I'm so excited to try it. I just put it in the freezer so it could cool down a little bit.
Ok, Jeannette, mille merci. Ça fait plaisir. À la prochaine. M'attendre encore dans la cuisine là.
Yeah.
OK?
Alright.
OK. Merci. I love you.
It's still hot, but it cooled down. Oh my goodness, so good. Let me know how it comes out, guys, and if you like it.